Hello everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. It has been almost 2 weeks since I've posted a video, so this is a very short video. I have been very busy making a whole bunch of platters. The name of this kit is called Sushi Sauce, and I have been making some rice, some tempura, and wrapping it with seaweed. These are all miniatures. I have placed a penny and then a platter on top so that way you can see exactly how small the items really are. We have many platters and bowls. There's shrimp, there's fish eggs, there's seaweed, there's rice. So one of the reasons I really like making these miniatures is just seeing this little piece of fabric. It's just amazing to me how this little thing can become something really neat. It doesn't matter if it's paper or if it's a bead, if it's a piece of felt or a little piece of wood. If you just put it all together, it just creates such a cute little item. Thanks to all the old and new subscribers, this keeps me going. It just makes me so happy and I just want to keep on making videos. So I'm going to go ahead and let you go and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.